Hello, ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with a updated technical look at the euro versus US dollar. Today's date is October 17, 2024. Let's get started. I'm going to start by taking a look at the 4-hour chart and then transition to the hourly chart. And what we saw in trading here today was what I like, especially from a technical perspective. You see this rally up here. Where did the rally go right to? Well, that green line right here, this green line right here, it's hard to see, but there is a green line that corresponds with the 200-day moving average. That's this part right here. And you can see that level coming in at 1.0872. And I think the high price came in at 1.0873 before rotating back to the downside over the last 4, 5, 6, 8 hours of trading. And in the process to the downside, the price then moved below this target level, but has rebounded back above it, and currently we're trading above and below it on the current 4-hour bar. The low price from the month of August, early August, comes in right here at 1.0777, and that's going to be a target on the downside on further downside momentum. Now, I also said I wanted to look at the hourly chart, and the importance of the hourly chart can be clearly seen here with what has happened against this 100-hour moving average. That's a blue line in this chart. And over time, on this move to the downside since, end of September, early August, we've seen the price stay below that blue line, come up toward it here, find willing sellers, come up toward it here, find willing sellers. Here's where the market fell below the 100-day moving average. And I like the fact that the market held that 100-day moving average right here. That was key, and started to rotate to the downside. But you can see how the market is tracing underneath that level. So going forward, here's our 200-hour moving average, but our 100-hour moving average is moving to the downside, and you can imagine that over to some point tomorrow, the price is going to be below the 200-day moving average. So that may be the first level that if we get to and through on the top side, it would give buyers some hope that the bottom is in place. Until then, however, are the buyers winning? No, the sellers are clearly winning and have the downside targets in place, including the low price here at the 1.077 level from early August. So be aware of that, but also be aware of what's happening above. That would shift the bias more to the upside, and that would be getting above the 200-day moving average and then getting above the 100-hour moving average, which is moving closer and closer to that 200-day moving average, and will likely be below it in trading tomorrow. So that's my updated look at the euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.